what's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Alright, today we have a new dance tutorial for you. So the title of the song is called, it's hard to pronounce. It's called Oh. Oh, literally Oh by Omarion. Alright, so let's start. Alright guys, let's go. So for this one, you're gonna open your legs first. No, close. So 5, 6, 7, and go. 1, 2. So away. 1, 2, 3. Up 4. Shift on 5 and 6. Nod, grab, and 8. One more time. So 5, 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. So this one, 5 and 6, including the foot. 6, nod, grab, and 8. Okay, next. You're gonna go 1, 2 counts, 2 counts. 1, 2, away. 3, 4, up 5, 6, ball chains on 7 and 8. Good. One more time. 6, 7, 8. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ball chains cross down. Next. Up. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Chest. 5, 6, 7, 8. My count is wrong. You're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Yeah, the count. So 5, 6, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Chest. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Make sure you point up, push on 2. Okay? Let's try first from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. 1, 2. Very good. Next, we're gonna turn 1, others 3, 4. Jump on 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yes, simple as that. So 6, 7, turn. 1, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Copy? Let's try again. So 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jump 5, 6, 7, 8. Continue. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Push and 8. Yes. Good job. Let's try. So 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, nod. Hop. 6, 7, and 8. Let's try first from the beginning. So 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Nod and 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. Stop. Nod. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7. Alright, next. Almost. Side. 1. Point on 2. So this is collaborate. Right, left, tap. Then you're gonna hand 1 and 2. Side. 3. Almost. 4, 5, and 6. Sorry, 6. Go 7, 8, 1. Try again. You need to move. Okay? Again. So 5, 6, 7, and 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay? Then 7, 8, 1. Stay on 2, 3, 4, overhead. 5, 6, and a 7, 8. Let's continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We already finished it. She's confused. One more time. Okay? So 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and a 7, 8. Continue on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and ad-lib. Yes, that's all the choreography. So we do it again from the beginning. Alright? All of it. Then if you having hard time to get some part of it, you review and pause and play it in slow motion. Okay? Let's try. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. Hop and 7, 8. 1, 2. So code 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and point, hop. Yes. Bye bye. Good job. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Hope you like that choreography. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comments on our videos. Okay? It's getting cold now here in Hong Kong. See you next time. Bye bye.